Assalamu alaikum. Dear students and friends, how are you? I hope you will be fine. I am Muhammad Mubashir from Pakistan. I have made a new YouTube channel, and the basic purpose of the formulation of this YouTube channel is to enhance the ability of people to understand English language. In this YouTube channel, you will teach about English language, English grammar, and other many things such as general knowledge and the knowledge of nature. It means science. All these things will be discussed in this YouTube channel, and all these videos you can get from my YouTube channel. First of all, I will introduce my YouTube channel. Dear students and friends, name of my YouTube channel is Multi-Learning Platform. Multi-Learning Platform is my YouTube channel. As I introduce myself, I am Muhammad Mubashir. My qualification is I am English. I am from Pakistan. After this, I will want to say some basic purpose for this I have made this YouTube channel. First purpose is this channel is formulated to provide basic knowledge of English to enlighten the skills of the people. Dear friends and students, as you know that English has become an international language, and it also has become the language of science and technology. In this way, our English should be very impressively. In this way, so that we can attain a huge success, we can speak in a well manner, foreigner, as well as we can describe our thoughts, our feelings in a well manner. In this way, if we have a proper knowledge of English language, we can get our rights by writing various columns, by writing various things, essays. In this way, we can aware the world from our issues, that we should gain our rights. In this way, I made this YouTube channel to provide basic knowledge of English to enlighten the skills of the people. When we talk about skills, skill means skill of writing, skill of speaking, and skill of understanding. We should write an impressive essay. We should write an impressive article. In this way, if we have proper knowledge of English language, proper information about English grammar, then we will write an impressive essay or an impressive article or other things of that type. After this, the second purpose of making my YouTube channel is to provide general knowledge to improve mental level of beloved people. As you know that general knowledge is a big question. General knowledge occupies the most volume of our competitive exams. In each and every competitive exams, general knowledge is the biggest portion, and it is the most difficult type of portion of exams which disturbed our students, because we don't have a proper general knowledge. Therefore, we can't get success in this way. So I have aim to improve the general knowledge of my beloved people. Inshallah, I will make various videos lecture about the general knowledge. In these things, all type of general knowledge will be discussed. After that, we will move to third point: providing knowledge of modern technology to enhance the ability and skills of people. Dear friends and students, as you know that we are living in the era of technology. After this purpose, we will talk about another purpose for which I have formulated my YouTube channel, and the purpose is to provide the knowledge of nature, to understand nature, to comprehend nature. In this way, if we can say that the knowledge of science, because the knowledge of nature is also called science, the try to understand nature is also known as science. In this way, videos lecture are also uploaded about the science, especially for the branch of science which is known as chemistry. Okay. After this, the other purpose to formulate my YouTube channel is to provide lectures about all lessons of English subjects for matriculation and intermediate classes. God willing, I will make videos lecture about each and every lesson of the matric and intermediate classes to provide an easy access to up to exams for our beloved students. Okay. After this purpose, the other purpose of formulation my YouTube channel, making my YouTube channel, is to provide English grammar knowledge up to attainable limit, God willing. As you know that the knowledge of English grammar is very compulsory. If you want to write an essay, if you want to write an article, if you want to write anything of this type, you should be known the basic knowledge of English grammar. If you don't know the knowledge of English grammar, you can't write an impressive essay, you can't write an impressive article in English language, okay, and you can't express your feelings, your thoughts, your emotions. You cannot also get your basic, your character right, your right. If we have some problems, some issues of international level, then we have to write an article, an essay, or any other thing of this type in English language. If we don't have the proper knowledge of English language, we can't write anything of such type. Therefore, we should know about the basic knowledge of English grammar to attain our basic rights, to convey our thoughts, our feelings, our abilities, our skills to international level. In this way, specially, I have decided to make video lectures and upload it on my YouTube channel. There will be videos on special classes for 9th, 10th, first year and second year classes according pattern of board. There are many questions in our board exams, such as write a letter, write an essay, write an application, correction of parts of speech, all these things. I will also make videos about letter writing, story writing, application writing, essay writing, and correction of parts of speech. Various parts of speech, noun correction, pronoun correction. In this way, there will be also videos lecture about all these things. After this, I want to say, visit my YouTube channel to get all these videos. God willing, very soon, videos of various videos comprises on various things containing general knowledge, having English grammar knowledge, English language knowledge, science knowledge, basic concept of chemistry, very soon will be uploaded on my YouTube channel. To watch all these videos, to get knowledge and to get success, visit my YouTube channel. As first of all, I have told about my YouTube channel. My YouTube channel is multi-learning platform. If you want to get all these videos, visit my YouTube channel and subscribe it so that you can get each and every video uploaded on my YouTube channel. Okay, with this I want to wind up my video lecture, and God willing we will soon meet in next video lecture. Up till that time I want to say goodbye. Allah Hafiz.